I am going to explain about ladder friction. A ladder is a device used for climbing on the wall, and it is used for doing household works. How the problem will be solved in the ladder friction, that I am going to explain now. And in the slide, I have given the diagram of the ladder, which is having 4 meter rest 45 degree on the ground. The coefficient of friction between the ladder and the wall is 0.4. The ladder and the floor is 0.5. The weight of the man climbing on the ladder is half of the weight of the ladder. The weight of the ladder I have taken W, and the weight of the man I have taken W by 2. In this problem, we are going to find what will be the height of the ladder when it slips from the wall. And the explanation I am going to give. That explanation I have given in the slide also, you can see. That is, actually the length of the ladder is AB. It is inclined 45 degree with the horizontal. At point A and at point B, the ladder is in contact with the floor and the wall. At A, there are 2 forces acting on the ladder. One is horizontal force, another one vertical force. Vertical force I have taken RF, and the horizontal force I have taken FF. That is also frictional force. And there are 2 forces occurring on the point B. Point B is another end of the ladder, which is in contact with the wall. There is also 2 forces. One is FW and RW. And actually, friction force F equal to mu Rn. Friction force FF. Mu is the coefficient of friction. RF is the force, that is reactional force acting. So that we have to consider in 2 points, point A and point B. Actually, point A I have given with the equation 1, and at point B, the reactions I have given in equation 2, and by combining equation 1 and 2. The combining equation 1 and 2 means actually we are resolving the forces vertically. While considering point A, we will be taking both the forces, horizontal and vertical. At point B also we will be considering forces acting horizontal and vertical. So when we are resolving the equation according to vertical force, the equation is written, and resolving the force horizontally, that I have written the equation in another, that is in 4th equation. So by solving these 2 equations, we are getting the relation, that is the reaction, between the reaction A and B. Okay, then at point A, I am finding the moment. Moment means force into distance. So there are 2 forces acting, that I already said. One is horizontal and another one vertical. So force into distance, that I have given in another equation. You can see after equation 4, that equation I have given. So the moment at A and the moment at B, both I have given. And solving these 2, I am getting the value of X. So X is the distance of the ladder when it slides down from the wall. Otherwise, when the ladder slides from the wall, the distance of the ladder from the ground point is given, that I have denoted by X. So X will be the 3 meter. That's all about this lecture. And in the next lecture, I am going to explain about wedge friction. Thank you, students.